Today, the Senate voted to fast-track the repeal of Obamacare, but Republicans have yet to offer a replacement. Millions of Americans who depend on Obamacare are now wondering what happens next. Here's Don Dahler.
How are we doing with this?
Small business owner Julie Mansfield has a clear vision of what a lack of health insurance would mean to her.
That would mean going blind. That would literally mean going blind.
The 49-year-old restaurateur has a very rare autoimmune disease that attacks her retinas. She says the specialists and drugs that maintain her sight cost more than she could afford. But under Obamacare, she only pays a $10 copay over her $400 a month premium.
When the ACA came around, it was a blessing.
But others are not so happy with the Affordable Care Act. Some small business owners say insuring their employees is financially crippling. And when 59-year-old Kevin McCarthy of Thousand Oaks, California, who owns a specialty flooring company, signed up in 2014, his premiums increased.
When we signed up with the new Health Care Act, not only did it cost us 50% more in monthly premiums, but as it turned out, we were also getting 50% less.
This year, premiums increased an average of 25%, but Americans continue to sign up. At least 22 million formerly uninsured are now covered, up nearly 300,000 for 2017 compared to last year. 83% of them receive tax credits. Mansfield worries about talk of repealing the ACA without a plan to replace it.
If you could talk to Congress and explain to them why whatever replaces the ACA has to be at least as good as the ACA, what would you say to them?
My health is not about politics. My health is about my life and my livelihood, and it's not to be played with. It's not to be a political pawn.
One question many are pondering is whether the replacement would keep some of the more popular aspects of the ACA. Coverage of pre-existing conditions, for example, or adult children being allowed to stay on their parents' policy. Scott, the deadline for signing up for 2017 coverage is this Sunday, but no one knows if Obamacare will survive the year.
Don Dahler for us tonight. Don, thank you.